will review how to set up tiered commissions in Navex Commission Management. We will first go to the salesperson card and pick Peter Sado. The amount date calculation field on the salesperson card defines the period the system will use to calculate the tiered commission quotas. Since Peter will receive a different commission based on its monthly sale, we defined CM for current month. Now we will go to the salesperson commission to define the different tiers for the commission rates. In the commission rates, we already defined that Peter's base commission rate is 10%. If he sells more than $5,000 in a month, his commission will be 12%, and if he sells more than $10,000 in a month, his commission will be 15%. The field minimum amount defines the commission tier for this rate. We will now define an order for customer 10,000 and use that as an example to look at the commission rate calculations. The total amount for this order will be $1,060.85. This amount includes tax, which is not included in the commission calculation. The commission calculation is only based on the item value in this case. We will now go to the commission calculation for this order. As you can see, Peter receives 10% commission and the commissionable amount is $1,080, which is the item value excluding taxes. We will now go ahead and post this order. To make it easier, I ship an invoice at the same time. We will now create a second order, this time for a total of $4,000. This will bring the total sales for this month to over $5,000 and therefore the commission will be increased. As you can see in the calculated commissions for this order, the commission rate now is 12%. We will now post this order as well. The next order we will be creating has a total of $5,000. This will bring up the commission to a total of more than $10,000, which will reach the third tier. And we will also post this order. We will now create one last order. This time the order will be in a different month. As you've seen in the previous orders, all of the orders were in the month of April 2019. We are now creating an order in May. Since this order is in a different month, the commission tier calculation starts fresh. As you can see, the commission rate is back to 10%. And now we're going to post the last sales order as well. We will now bring up the commission ledger entries, which are the detailed history of all commission postings. As you see, we have 4 lines for 4 different orders on an item level, and they show the commission rate of 10, 12 or 15% depending on the different commission tiers. This concludes our walkthrough on tiered commissions in Navex Commission Management. If you want to learn more, please visit our online help where we describe details on setups and also have how-to articles available for you. Thank you for your time and I hope to see you in our next video.